Next, a person sells an article for rupees 550 and gains one-tenth of the cost price. Then the gain percentage is 11%. True or false? So here always remember one basic thing. Gain percentage or profit percentage will always be on a cost price. So you have to find the cost price first. Okay? But this is a typical problem. Here nothing is required. Why? What is asked? The gain percentage is given 11% and gain is given one tenth. So what we have to do? We have to just equate one tenth to 11%. One tenth is in terms of actual rupees and this is in terms of percentage. So convert one tenth into percentage. How? One tenth in percentage terms. Whenever you have to convert anything to percentage, multiply it by 100. So 1 upon 10 into 100, it becomes 10%. But what is given? 11%. So it is false.